everyone, I'm Justin.
And I'm Johnny, and thanks for once again tuning into the Dollar Bills. Let's talk a little today about your humble abode.
Choosing a new dwelling comes with its own set of questions. Maybe you want to rent a space, or maybe you're considering something more permanent, like buying a house. If you're considering going the house route, take some advice from our friend Amelise over at the Dollar Bells. We'll link her video down below so you can check that out later.
Let's say you already have the house and want to make some extra money through your living space. Well, you're in luck, because we have a couple ways you can make a little extra cha-ching via rented space or house. Let's start off with this. Renting out an extra room. Now, I know we all like having our own personal space.
I mean, I do when you come over to visit.
Oh, it's like that, huh? Anyway, if you have any extra room, you could always rent it out to someone, either a friend or someone that responds to a listing. This eases the burden on both people so that they split the expenses. And what do you do with the extra income? Save it. Put it in your savings or a rainy day fund.
And then someday, both people can get their own place far, far away. Seriously though, quick word of warning. If you're renting, make sure you aren't breaking any lease agreements by subletting that space. Last thing you want is to be evicted because you got a little too enterprising.
List your home on Airbnb. People who are looking to cut down on travel costs are increasingly looking at skipping on booking a hotel. Instead, they're using websites like Airbnb. If you have that spare bedroom, you can rent that space out a few nights a month to make yourself some extra income. Depending on where you live, that rental fee you charge could add up to hundreds every month. Go online to Airbnb and they'll help you get started. And speaking of renting, turn a home into a rental property. This option is a little more work since you have to find a property suitable and then get it ready to rent. Are you prepared to be a landlord? Ready to be responsible for upkeep and such? Do it well, and you'll have happy tenants and a desirable property. You might even find a skill you didn't know you had. Careful though, you wouldn't want a tenant like Justin over here who only mows his lawn every lunar eclipse.
Fake news, man. But you'll more than likely have to get some assistance from a financial advisor who can help make sure you're following tax laws, local property rules, and zoning ordinances. Finally, renting out your home to film. It's true, many productions look for locations on a regular basis. Allowing an advertising agency or a film company to film in your home can make you a little extra on the side. You don't even have to have a super lavish place. A range of places are needed, and depending on what's in their scripts, yours might be perfect. It's not regular income, but it's a way to rent your space we bet you didn't think of.
Yeah, so if you wanted a cool place like ours, you could easily...
Great job today, fellas.
Thanks, man, but what are you doing with our place?
Your place. No, this is our place. You just, rented it.
Right.
Yeah, we got you.
We'll see you next time on the Dollar Bills.
Next time, did you guys rent another day?
Yes!